told them bad bitches get dressed at night, they go to vibe. Just
What's up, y'all boys? We back with another freaking video. Smooth TV. I ain't posting a while, but guess what? I got y'all boys now. We finna flood y'all with. How much content we finna flood them with?
Like a whole 3 months worth.
Like a whole 3 months worth? I bet, yeah, like a whole 3 months worth of content. I got y'all boys. Right now, I know my energy a little bit dead. It's because it's hot. As you can see, I'm fucking sweating, bro. Houston is not the place to be right now, bro. It's hot as hell. You said what?
Walk all in the middle.
Oh, my fault.
You don't care about my safety.
I do want to watch your surroundings. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, man. Don't play with it. Don't play with me. But yeah, today, we got this air horn right here. We finna do this air horn prank. Shout out to that one YouTuber I seen do it. I forgot his name. So shout outs to you. This is where I got the idea from. But yeah. What air freshener should I get? What the fuck? Was that you?
You're.
Who?
You.
Oh no, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing right here. I don't know what the hell seeing that shit.
Put your foot up.
Oh, it's my pocket. My bad. You got scared?
Yeah. A little bit.
That scared you? I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. I ain't mean to scare you. I ain't mean to press that, bro. My fault. I'm just looking for some air freshener. That's all. My bad. I ain't mean to scare you like that though. Y'all be easy. You feel me? You feel me?
You want a unicorn squirter? Joanna, you want a unicorn squirter? Oh,
Nuh-uh.
What the fuck?
No. You
That
cut
one-
it out.
That wasn't you?
That's not even funny at all. Rude.
That wasn't even me.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. That wasn't even me.
Corn in your pocket.
That wasn't even me. What in my pocket? Where? Look at my pockets. What the fuck?
It's in your hand, so we know you did it.
Who? Who?
You.
Ain't nobody do that.
See it in your hand, dear.
You see what in my hand?
Exactly.
You see what in my hand? Come on. I said I'm shooting a blowhorn.
Yeah, like a blowhorn.
Do it look like I got a blowhorn on me?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
Thing's sticking out of your shirt, man.
Oh fuck, man. Y'all come right, bro. I'm finna dip this up, bro.
All right.
I got you, bro. Appreciate you, gang. I'm finna dip this up, bro. Yeah, they talking about I gotta go. Nigga said I gotta complain that you blowing air horns. I'm like, do it look like I got an air horn on me? He's talking about, yeah, it's in your pocket. He's talking about, yeah, it's in your pocket. I'm like, shit, all right, bro. I'm finna go, bro. Fuck it. I ain't even finna play with you. Oh, we gotta go to Walmart for that shit. Fuck that. YouTubers out there, bro. You trying to do videos at grocery stores, bro? Go to Walmart, bro. Fuck Target, bro. Target, they on ass at Target, bro. That's all I can say, bro. They on. These white people be complaining, bro. Go to Target where there's fucking niggas at.
Go to Walmart.
Go to Walmart. Go to Walmart where there's niggas at. You feel what I'm saying? Target ain't the place to be. Target is nothing but white people. They got 12 here, 5 seconds, 10 seconons. Playing it already? God damn. It was that one lady like, you're rude.
I seen her. She works at the store.
You rude. Bitch, fuck you, bitch. Nobody worry about you.
Come on.
Get you a toy,
You gotta
man.
go to the toy section so you get your toy.
Anybody worry about that, though, man? You feel what I'm saying?
Damn.
Bro, chill out with that shit, bro. What the fuck wrong with you?
Hey, don't mind him. Hey,
fuck?
come on, man.
Y'all heard that? I heard that shit earlier, too. That's what I'm saying. I heard it earlier, too, and I didn't know who the fuck it was. But now they playing. I be doing that loud ass shit, bro. That shit hurt my ears. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, that shit funny.
Can we buy something really quick?
Can we buy something real quick?
He wants a toy.
He want a toy. We finna spend some money in here. You recording still? All right, bet. We finna spend some money in here, bro. Before we dip up out here, we finna spend some money, bro. All right. What toy you want, bro? We finna spend some money in here first before we get out. We finna spend some money for y'all. We finna spend some money for y'all. That's all. So just wait a second. What's up?
Do you guys have an air horn?
Who?
Any
I don't.
Who?
Nah, I don't. I don't.
You been hearing that shit, right?
You do. You have a camera right
She don't got no air horn though.
Do I have an air horn?
She don't got no air horn
Look how
though.
mad you look. Look how mad you.
She don't got no air horn.
You want to check
We
my
been hearing that shit too. It's just because we young, people think that it's us. You know what I'm saying?
So we've had multiple people share descriptions of someone with an air horn.
Saying with this shirt on. Do you see an air horn on me?
Look, babe. Come on. Look. We ain't finna spend
Huh?
money in this bitch. Let's go.
Say air horn right here in your pants, man.
Where?
This what we need from you right here. Ma'am, this is what we need. We need you all to stop doing that. I'm looking at your air horn right here. I need
We finna spend some money in here first. We finna buy a little toy for my
what you can't
son.
do is you can't go in there because you're antagonizing, I guess, man. You can't do that. You can't do that.
All right, bro, y'all call me, bro. But look, we finna spend some money, then we out.
Say,
Cool.
we don't want to have you trespassing here, so please take care of your business, but we cannot have you blowing that thing, I guess, in here. It's agitating. We can't trespass you for stuff like that.
All right, for sure. But look, right now we finna spend some money, and then we finna go ahead and get up out of here and finna go to Walmart.
That's fine.
Cool.
But if there's any more conflict if we hear the air horn, we're gonna have to kick you guys out.
For sure. That's cool. That's cool. Man, so we get up out of here. These bitch ass niggas, man.
That lady talking about you got, bitch, I'll beat you up in this Target store. Bitch, stop playing with me.
Oh, my
Stop
mama, I
fucking
let this hoe go again.
I can have a camera, bitch. The fuck freedom of press, nigga. I can record any fucking where. The fuck, bitch? You want me to school you real quick? And I'm 23. You probably about 40, bitch. Fuck out of here. What you want, Adrian? What kind of toy you want? So we get the fuck up out of here. You want that Huggy Wuggy toy?
Ain't no fucking nigga, man.
You want that Poppy playtime? That's what you want?
It's gonna start off. It's gonna start off with us getting banned from places. You feel me? Then it's gonna turn into where the places that banned us want us to come back because we bring so much content and so much motion to the house. This is how. That's what I'm saying. This is how it start off, y'all. But fuck them, and fuck Target, and fuck Walmart. They talking about it's a nigga in a white shirt, blowing the air horn.
Mom, it's only a T-Rex.
To be honest, I don't even want to buy shit from this stuff.
We ain't got to, but shit, you want to? Let's do it.
And I'll blow that bitch on the way out.
I am gonna hit him one time before I go out.
This is too giant.
Nigga, that's $64.99, my boy.
Oh,
You tripping?
okay, that's too.
You tripping? That's $70, boy. My boy, you is tripping.
No, Target be tripping, not even him. Target.
Target tripping.
I think I get the Venusaurus claws.
You want the claws?
Yeah.
God damn.
You sure you want that?
Yeah. Sure. Okay, why you did this right now?
Just put it back where it came from.
These are Wolverine claws, nigga.
Nah, those dinosaur claws.
You want these?
Look at the Venusaurus claws.
Oh, Yeah, they are the same.
See?
So you want these right here?
Yeah.
This what you want?
Sure.
This what you want? This all you getting?
Yeah.
It's $15, nigga.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Shit, really 17, nigga. Shit. Plus the taxes.
Touch my shit.
Nah, them niggas don't understand that recording me
You
ain't
can't
gonna
do nothing. It's the freedom of press. It's the Fourth Amendment, nigga. You want me to
Re-
bring it up to you? You want me to school you?
recording me ain't gonna do nothing but make your situation worse.
It's gonna make you
Literally.
more mad.
Just gonna make you more mad.
Y'all gonna laugh at your face.
Nah, the niggas that I prank and y'all give me no reaction, y'all the cool niggas. Y'all niggas don't get mad because y'all gave me no reaction. But if you give me a
y'all already know
reaction,
what's going
because you already know what's going on. But if you give me a reaction, you gonna get mad as hell because, hey, that's what you want. I don't get notifications on my Cash App.
The Venusaurus claws.
What you got?
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Let's get out here before they call 12 on us and they get mad. Because they want us to leave already. When we ain't did nothing. We ain't did nothing, man. But they want us to
I was
leave.
trying to read your shirt.
You trying to read my certified bun eater? That's my merch. That's what it is. We eating buns all 2023. We eating buns. We eating booty. Cool.
Nothing else.
You got your booty. You got your booty.
7 months left.
You got your booty ate before?
There you go.
Oh shit. That's what I'm saying. Hey, feel good, don't it? All right then. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Don't be ashamed. You got your booty ate. You got your booty ate. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You got your booty ate too. While you shaking your head? You got your booty ate before? Yeah. Don't be ashamed of it. Don't be ashamed. Everybody got their booty ate before. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I eat ass. Certified bunny. I'm certified in shit. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. One of y'all ever got your booty ate before? Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster. I got my booty ate. I'm gonna keep it all the way gangster with you. Yeah? Look at my shirt. Certified bun eater. We eat booty. We get our booty ate. Hey, I know you had it before. You never had it before? Try it. Try it, my nigga. Think about this day, bro. Try it. I promise you gonna like the shit. Everybody do. That booty is a soft spot on God. That booty a soft spot, nigga. Hey, that booty hole a soft spot, I swear to God. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Y'all together? Y'all together? Y'all married?
Oh, no.
No? But y'all together, though?
No, we're not together.
Ever got your booty ate before?
You have?
Yeah, hell yeah. Look at my shirt. Certified bun eater. I eat booty and I get my booty
She
ate.
might like it a lot.
She do. Shit feel good, bro. Try it. If you ain't never tried it, try it, bro. I promise you. I promise you. It's that. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's slide. Fuck Target, nigga.
You almost blew my ears out.
Cover it up.
Fuck Target, nigga.
Nigga,
We outside now. Fuck them.
He said we outside.
We outside now. They can't do shit, bro. Fuck them. Every last nigga in there got their booty ate, bro. You seen the reactions, right?
I know, they ain't want to act like
They ain't want to act like, but nigga, I got it on my shirt. Nigga, we promoting it. You know what it is. Come on, let's next location. Yeah, I'm done. Come on.
Tell them you done.
Hey, we done with Target, nigga. Fuck Target, bro. Like, fuck Target. Come on. Ah, shit. God damn. God damn. What's up, y'all, boys? Spooked. Fuck!
My shit like a model, came from the bottom. If you